look like an Oompa Loompa. There's our freaking makeshift paint booth. Oompa, oompa, oompity, I've got a story.
Let's do this.
Cheese and crackers. I got the primer done. Everything's kind of primed. We'll let this sit. I'll go over with some sandpaper tomorrow, of course. And then we'll be ready for paint. But holy moly. The first portion, when I was first spraying, I'm like, why is it getting so freaking thick in here? And yeah, I couldn't tell that the garage door was closed. So it was just blowing right at the side of the, boy, oh boy. Dang, you guys. Painting is a lot of work. I knew that going into it. I'm no dummy, I've done this before, but I got everything primed last night and sanded today. So I got, here's everything. Kind of smoothed out, the primer smoothed out. Got the spring, the lower cowl section. Everything's ready to be painted. So I'll go over it with a tack cloth. It's like a little sticky cloth, gets any like hairs and fibers off of it. I got the heater heating up the stuff, and we'll do the base coat, which is Miami blue. I'll wait till I show you that, and then we're gonna do some clear coat. Oh yeah, it's about to go down. Drinking beer to loosen my nerves. All this work, and then you spray it. There's always makes me nervous. Kind of like starting the engine for the first time. Let's do it. Tomorrow I'll come back and touch it and feel it and see it in the light. Talk to you. Here we go. We're checking it out. Not bad, not bad. Good enough for the girls I run around with. Here we go. Start of the killer weekend. We're gonna do pick up Mike's Mini Motor, Jeff Pfeiffer, Jeff Freeman. We're gonna build a bike and chill, drink some beers, do some sightseeing, eat some food. 1, 2, 3, go!
What up, buddy? What up? Good. What's up, brother? What's up, man? Good to see you.
What up, dude? How many mics you know? So many mics! contest.
That's the Segway? That's the Segway, but same thing as the Sur-Ron.
Sur-Ron. That thing's fun, dude.
It's not too shabby. Put it on
Woo!
sport.
It flies on sport.
That thing's bad. Look at that. Just look at it. Would you look at that? Look at this. Look at that.
Yeah.
Cardboard definitely peps it up quite a bit.
Yeah. Right out, Jeff.
What's up,
Hey.
Aldo?
What's up, man?
How are you?
That's your bodyguard, man?
Yeah, get
The bodyguard.
Where's the seat, Aldo?
Oh, man, no.
With the mullet. Ooh, look at that. I think the color's gonna match.
That's the color. Remember I told you?
Woo!
That looks really good.
That looks good.
So he knows what he's doing.
Good job.
Let's pull it back off.
We're here live in the Ruckus capital of the nation, actually diagnosing and repairing and building Honda Ruckus scooters with a couple friends from all over the world, Montana and Washington. These guys are getting her done. Fingers and Diet Pepsi, you can be whining. Oh, snap.
Rad, I got a chemistry set.